Hello everyone. I'm selling this AI course, AI for Beginners course at rajamanikam.com using Gumroad. Okay. Gumroad is not having option to track whether the students have actually completed the course or not. Okay. But I used to get requests for issuing certificates, course completion certificates. So I hesitated to issue the certificate because without knowing whether they really learned it or not. Okay. Now I found a way to deal that. That is, I'll be asking the person asking a certificate to attend this quiz. Okay. They can choose any two topics, and they have to score more than 60% in each of them. Okay. And then they can contact me to get a certificate. Okay. The certificate will be like it is a sample certificate. It will be like this. Okay. So that they can it's having unique URL, and they can share it. And I mentioned that the certificate is awarded only after the student has passed an assessment test. Okay. So I believe it will be worthy. Okay. And I will be strictly following the rules. Suppose if someone is not getting the qualified score, I won't issue that, but I will be giving option to take it any number of times. Okay. And they can share it on social media also. Okay. Thanks. Bye.